Here's our little spider friend. Let's see if we can get him some dinner. I don't know if the web is going to be strong enough, but we'll see. Yeah, well, let's see if the spider gets it. Oh, looks like the spider's going to spin a bigger web for it. No, it actually looks like he's repairing the web. Here he goes. Let's see if he goes after it. Yeah, he's trying to strengthen his web here before he wraps it up. See if he makes a go for it. He's going to try to wrap him up. Probably giving the cicada a bite there. That spider's